Hello, I'm Lou, and this channel is where I'm going to highlight my making different recipes, not necessarily all just lunches, but I loved the alliteration of that channel name. So far I have had both corned beef hash and crustless quiche suggested to me to do on this channel. I also want to make some desserts such as cheesecakes. I'd like to extend my thanks to those who have subscribed to my main channel, Lou's Space, where I am doing reviews, educational videos and some mini vlogs amongst other things such as lives on topics from Doctor Who to ghosts and demons. I wanted to do something different to that here on this channel, so I thought I would use it to show my journey on learning or relearning how to make meals I love, potentially from scratch in some cases. Anyone who's known me long enough knows I am far from a 5-star chef, but I am always willing to never stop learning when it comes to these things, and I am hoping to make a concerted effort on both my channels going forward while still having fun too. If any of you have any further suggestions as to meals I could learn to make, please leave them in the comments section down below. I hope that you will subscribe, like and share these videos when I start making them. Thank you for watching and bye for now. Love, Lou.
Feel the beat with every taste our hearts